Hello and welcome back into my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use this amazing app, so please stay with me until the end of this video and I will show you the first part of this tutorial. Let's go guys! So today is so important for me because I'm starting this new channel with different parts of these tutorials. So guys, all you have to do is to write the name right here. Perfect, here it is. Tap right here, scroll a little bit. All you have to do is to tap right here again. If you are using Android, everything will be automatically. I repeat again guys, if you are using Android, everything will be automatically. In iOS you do something I will show you, but more important for me is to give a feedback, to say something about this tutorial or the way I will use this amazing app. So please say something, comment below, write in the chat box, whatever guys, just give a feedback. If something is not going correctly, don't hesitate to comment below, also you can mail me and I will give you the right answer and solution back by mail. At 100% we will go at the settings. So guys, all you have to do is to be a little bit patient. So if you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and support me in this new channel guys. Okay, as I told you, at 100% we will go at the settings. Okay, just wait 2 seconds more. So after that we should go at the settings and you see this profile right here. Tap it guys. All you do is tap right here. As you see, next, tap again. And done. Let's see guys. Okay, perfect. Everything looks just fine, so now we can enjoy the first part of this tutorial. Let's start now guys. Let's see if everything is okay and enjoy the first part of this tutorial. Perfect guys, it's loading now. It takes a little bit for loading because it's opened it for the first time. Perfect my friend, that's it, everything looks just fine, we can skip it right here, tap it guys. Okay guys, that's it, please don't forget to subscribe and give any like. See you next video, bye bye boys and girls.